Today, today we're going to learn how to make a flyer with QR codes linked to your social media pages. Alright, so first you're going to go to the Canva homepage. You're going to go to Create a Design. You're going to scroll down. Sometimes flyer will be listed here if you use it a lot. If not, you can type in flyer. Just make sure it's the size that you're looking for. So right now I'm looking for a normal sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11. Then you're going to add some text. You can use a template here if you want. You can really, it's up to you. So I'm just going to type in here, follow us on social media. Let's resize it a little so it fits the page. Perfect. Let's see, where would it look best? You can resize it so it fits exactly where you want it to fit. All the different colors, we can change the background color maybe to fit our brand or to stand out really loudly on the table. I'm just going to stick with white for now. So here's where we add the QR code. So you go to Elements and then type QR code and then use the app that pops up. So you're going to enter the URL. I have my Instagram page pulled up here. I'm going to make sure I go to my profile, copy the URL, and then I'm going to head back and paste it. Generate QR code. Immediately pops up. So that QR code will actually take me to my Instagram profile now. So I'm going to copy this text, drag it down, and say, follow us on Instagram. Just going to resize it a little bit so it looks nice. You can do some line spacing. You can really make it look however you want. This is obviously just an example of one way to do it. So now I'm going to do my Facebook page because these are the two social medias I'm trying to direct people to. I'm going to copy my URL, go back in, paste it. You can actually customize too if you want to match your branding colors. You just want to make sure that the background is lighter than the foreground. There we go. There's my second one. My Facebook URL is transformed into a QR code. So I'll create a label for this one too. There we go. So now from here, it's really just kind of, making it what you want. So I have this call to action at the top, follow us on social media. I'm going to add another one that just says, let's connect to catch people's eyes. Maybe I'll change the font, something kind of bold. Yeah, Canva's nice because it's so easy to just play around with stuff and customize things fairly simply. Add a little background color there. Maybe I'll add some elements in here just to make it look a little nicer. Let's see what we got. We like these little lettuce. I'm going to add that. And then it's always a good idea to add your business's logo on there so that people, are reminded when they're standing at your table to follow you that what your business is. So here to print, you just go up to the top, share, print, and then there it goes at the bottom. So from here you would print it like you would any other document or any other Word document. Pretty straightforward.